All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Monday. So earnings season starts, guys. We're gonna have some really amazing week of trading because earnings season is here. Earnings season is when the banks start reporting, and then we have Tesla this week as well. So. If you go to trading terminal calendar, you see that the banks are starting this week. The Bank of America is tomorrow, and then usually CMB Financial. Usually the financial sectors are starting. Nothing crazy today on Monday, but Tuesday we're gonna get Bank of America, Interactive Brokers. Wednesday we have Tesla, Netflix, and these are giving us some really good volatility. These are the stocks that we've been trading. So. They're super excited to earnings season. So today we had some issues in the chat room. Unfortunately, we had to move the users from a different chat room. I do apologize for that. Tomorrow morning, come as usual in the chat room, and if there is any changes, we're gonna make an announcement for you. Tesla had a very massive run at the open. It was a very nice, amazing 1 minute opening range breakup. Unfortunately, we were just in the process of getting into the new room, and we couldn't get I couldn't get this massive run up there. It would have been a very nice 1 minute opening range breakup and 5 minute opening range breakup as well. On the pullback, I went long and popped up, and I got some profit here. So that was a very decent trade. On this pullback on the moving average, I bought that. And again, I tried to do the same thing after it popped up. So, after this squeeze, I went long, hoping to get the break of high of the day. We didn't get that. I got a stopped out. Came below the VWAP. I got in again, and I got a stopped out. So eventually, I lost money on Tesla, unfortunately, because I tried to catch this bounce, and I couldn't. And it really never really gave us any bounce. So unfortunately, these 3 trades on Tesla, very red, unfortunately. So this one works. The second and third didn't work, and unfortunately I closed it on red. But AMD was the very nice trade today. AMD was the very nice trade. So at the open, a lot of people shorted that, including Paris. Did a very nice short. It did really give us a triple bottom, and I took this trade at around 10.02 at the triple bottom, and as you see, it did popped up from 112.17 all the way up to now. It's going to go to 114. Maybe we can go to 115 as well. So this is so eventually, so AMD turned out to be a profitable trade, and at the end, we closed the day around 3,500. So that was a pretty good day for us. I did take the open. I took a screenshot about some level 2 signals on Tesla. Again, I was in the process of moving people to the chat room, but it's worth showing that for you. So again, if I was ready, so as you see here at July 17. So as the stock was going higher, you could see the huge ask here at 290. So at 934.44, again, I wasn't ready. I saw this signal around here. I could go long around here to get to 290. And just a few seconds after that, so look at the timestamp, 9:34, 9:35.07, we popped up $1 above it, and then as you see, 9:35 just going to go up all the way up to 291.36. As you see, it was just a massive run on it, and the signal was there. I just couldn't capitalize on that because I wasn't ready. Thor had a really nice trade on NVIDIA short. He's going to talk about his trade. He shorted right up here. Don't ask me how. It's just amazing that he saw this short coming at 464, dropped. And Brian, you had a really nice trade on GAD at the open short. I know we had a little bit of a chaos at the open, but what else you traded?
I traded. I did the same AMD trade with you. I got in actually a little bit before you did.
Yeah.
At 113. So I was happy with that trade. So yeah, those are the couple of trades I did today.
Awesome. Yeah, that was awesome. Again, sorry about that chat room, guys. We're gonna fix it by tomorrow. I'm sure 100%. So everything is looking good. So I'm gonna close my day at 3,500. I still have actually $300 of AMD, so we can actually sell that, and then we cover that. So if I can sell that AMD I'm all out of AMD. So yeah, 3,900 would be the end of the day for me. All right, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you all tomorrow in the chat room. If you're a new member, if you're interested to see what's going on, we have the onboarding session by Megan and Mike tonight, so hopefully you can join us there. If not, tomorrow morning in the chat room, guys. And again, remember, if you're not signed up for New York City, we're gonna have a really amazing event in New York City end of this month with 390 tour. So very, very excited to see most of the members, guys. Have a good day, and yeah, see you in the chat room tomorrow.